Welcome back to 77 Cars, where we bring you the most exciting and high-performance machines on the planet. Today, we're diving into the modern modified 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT, a beast that takes luxury and performance to an entirely new level. This isn't just a sports car, it's a masterpiece of engineering, modified to push every limit of speed, aerodynamics, and technology. Under the hood, the handcrafted 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8 has been taken to the next level with upgraded turbochargers, high-flow air intakes, and a remapped ECU, boosting its power output to an astonishing 800 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque. The 9-speed AMG speed-shift automatic transmission has been fine-tuned for even sharper response, allowing for lightning-fast shifts and optimal power delivery. The custom titanium exhaust system not only enhances performance but delivers a spine-chilling roar that echoes pure aggression. The exterior modifications enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics. A full carbon fiber wide-body kit adds muscular stance and reduces weight, while the active rear wing dynamically adjusts to maximize downforce. The front splitter, rear diffuser, and custom side skirts improve stability, making high-speed driving a controlled experience. The new LED matrix headlights and laser taillights not only enhance visibility but give the car a futuristic, menacing look. Inside, the cockpit is an advanced fusion of luxury and motorsport DNA. Alcantara and carbon fiber dominate the cabin, from the dashboard to the steering wheel. The bespoke racing seats provide unmatched support while maintaining long drive comfort. A fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster with custom AMG graphics ensures real-time performance tracking, while the MBUX infotainment system with AI integration offers seamless control over navigation, entertainment, and performance settings. The Bang & Olufsen premium sound system delivers studio-quality audio, but with an exhaust this aggressive, who needs music? For handling and stability, the AMG GT features fully adjustable coil-over suspension, reducing body roll while maintaining ride comfort. The forged lightweight wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires provide insane grip on both road and track. A high-performance carbon ceramic braking system ensures incredible stopping power, while an electronic limited slip differential helps put down all that monstrous power efficiently. This 2025 AMG GT is an engineering marvel that balances brute force with cutting-edge technology and refined luxury. If you loved this build, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 77 Cars for more epic automotive content. Drop a comment and tell us what's your dream AMG modification? Stay tuned for more insane rides, and we'll see you in the next video.